I'm always doing the most. Finish my cup and reload. Let it swing right back. Let it swing right back.
Hey you guys, welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to be doing a beautiful mint snowflake gel polish set over my nice beautiful natural acrylics. I showed you how to do those in a previous video. If you want to check it out, I'll have it linked on the screen and also down below for you guys. So I'm going to be using Infinity glitter, which is a pure silver. It's absolutely gorgeous, and I'm also using this mint gel polish from Madam Glam. It did require 2 coats. I might have actually done a third. Oh no, I stuck with 2 because I was putting glitter over the top. But if you weren't going to put this glitter over, then I would recommend possibly 3 light coats because it was quite sheer. I don't know if it's because I've not used it for a while, but I did shake it very well. It's such a stunning colour. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply 2 coats to all of the nails, and then I will be back. I'm going to be also using Clear Hollow from Glitter Planet, and I'll have that linked for you guys down below as well. And I'm also using the gel cleanup brush, or the colour application brush, whatever you want to call it. I'm just using it to apply the glitter into the tacky layer of the gel polish. I absolutely love this brush for a variety of things. Like you can use it for applying your gel pods, gel polish, glitters, cleaning up around the cuticle area. It's just really versatile. Also you can use it for applying hard gel as well. So as you can see, I've applied all of the gel polish, I've cured everything, and I'm left with the tacky residue. So into that tacky layer I'm just coming in with the Clear Hollow glitter, and because it's a fine glitter it's going to apply very nicely just to that inhibition layer, and we're just going to pat it in at the cuticle area and blend it down slightly with that brush. And this brush is really quite a nice size because it's not too big. You're not going to just get it all over the nail, so you can really control where you're applying that glitter, and it's perfect for creating the ombre glitter nails over the top of gel polish. So next I'm going to go ahead and top coat all of the nails and cure in the light for 60 seconds, and I'm using the Nail Mate Super Gloss No Wipe Top Coat to really apply a nice layer over these and make sure that that glitter is nice and smooth. So next I'm coming in with this liner brush from Glitter Planet. I'll have it linked for you guys down below, and I'm just using some of the No Wipe Top Coat to kind of draw a nice rough snowflake because we're going to do a sugared nail art design, and it's just going to be a really huge snowflake that covers the entire nail. So when you're doing snowflakes you can just be kind of loose with the design, kind of make it symmetrical, but like you can have bits just kind of sticking out everywhere. As long as it's kind of even on each side, it will totally looks like a snowflake. Like they're kind of easy to do. If you want me to do a simple step-by-step so you can do some awesome snowflake nails over the Christmas and New Year period, then let me know. I'll have that done for you guys because it shouldn't take me too long. Hopefully I can find some time for that, because we are so freaking busy right now. Like Nail Mate is launching on Monday, it's currently Saturday, we've got a lot to do this weekend, and yeah, it is crazy. It is crazy. So anyway, before we cure this top coat, I'm coming in and I'm sugaring over the Infinity glitter, which is that pure silver glitter, and I'm going to go ahead and I cure that in the light, and here is how it looks. I did cure that, I just didn't show it, so it kind of looks like it's cured on its own, but it definitely didn't. Once I've cured it in the light, I go ahead and dust off the excess, and this is what we are left with. It's a beautiful, beautiful manicure, and it would work with a red underneath, a black underneath. You could even do like black and gold. It's just honestly stunning. So this is the final result. I really hope you've enjoyed it. I am going to get into doing some more acrylic designs for you guys because I know you guys enjoy those a lot more than these kind of easy tutorials, but I just wanted to mix it up a little bit, and this is kind of all I've had time to do lately. Like seriously, it's crazy. So here we are peeling off these cuties, you know, gotta peel it off. Okay guys, so I also wanted to let you know that Nail Mate, my acrylic system, launches on Monday, 5 PM UK time, so don't forget to put it in your diaries. be at the ready because I feel like it's going to go absolutely mental. You guys know that the brushes and everything that everybody wants to get a hold of sells out so fast. We have prepared as much as we possibly can, and hopefully everything lasts and everybody gets to get a piece of the pie, you know what I'm saying? Because yeah, you don't want to miss out. So definitely put your alarms on, get it in your calendar, get yourself notified, check the times in your time zone, because 5 p.m. UK time, I know it's like different kind of times everywhere, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, I hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope you are excited for the launch of the acrylic system. It's going to be freaking bomb.com. And guys, always remember that you are bomb.com, lit as fuck, and don't ever let anyone tell you any different, because you've got this and I love you. Mwah. Goodbye.
I'm always doing the most. Finish my cup and reload. Let it swing right back. Let it swing right back.